Gratitude brings us into the present moment. It helps us see how much is already working in our favor. When we say thank you, we soften resistance and allow more peace, abundance, and joy to flow naturally. These affirmations honor the past, embrace the present, and gently welcome the future. I will say each line as a thank you. Feel it, believe it, receive it. Let's begin. Thank you for my life. Thank you for today. Thank you for this moment. Thank you for my breath. Thank you for my body. Thank you for my mind. Thank you for my soul. Thank you for my health today. Thank you for my healing. Thank you for my inner strength. Thank you for my home where I feel safe and protected. Thank you for my home that gives me peace. Thank you for the roof over my head. Thank you for the walls that protect me. Thank you for my comfortable bed. Thank you for deep rest. Thank you for warmth. Thank you for comfort. Thank you for feeling secure. Thank you for feeling calm. Thank you for fresh air. Thank you for clean water. Thank you for food that nourishes me. Thank you for clothes that keep me comfortable. Thank you for sunlight. Thank you for the nature around me. Thank you for Mother Earth. Thank you for birds and trees. Thank you for peaceful mornings. Thank you for quiet moments. Thank you for my parents. Thank you for my family. Thank you for love in my life. Thank you for supportive friends. Thank you for kind people. Thank you for my partner. Thank you for understanding. Thank you for harmony. Thank you for emotional support. Thank you for connection. Thank you for my work. Thank you for my skills. Thank you for my creativity. Thank you for my talents. Thank you for learning opportunities. Thank you for growth. Thank you for confidence. Thank you for focus. Thank you for motivation. Thank you for purpose. Thank you for money flowing to me. Thank you for financial safety. Thank you for abundance. Thank you for active income. Thank you for passive income. Thank you for the stability. Thank you for the freedom. Thank you for prosperity. Thank you for security. Thank you for ease with money. Thank you for my past lessons. Thank you for my present peace. Thank you for my future blessings. Thank you for new opportunities. Thank you for right timing. Thank you for smooth paths. Thank you for protection ahead. Thank you for the guidance. Thank you for trust in life. Thank you for faith. Thank you for emotional balance. Thank you for calm thoughts. Thank you for patience. Thank you for forgiveness. Thank you for self-love. Thank you for self-respect. Thank you for acceptance. Thank you for resilience. Thank you for joy. Thank you for inner peace. Thank you for safety today. Thank you for protection always. Thank you for feeling grounded. Thank you for feeling present. Thank you for feeling supported. Thank you for feeling relaxed. Thank you for feeling hopeful. Thank you for feeling grateful. Thank you for feeling blessed. Thank you for feeling balanced. Thank you for all small blessings. Thank you for simple joys. Thank you for daily comforts. Thank you for gentle moments. Thank you for positive energy. Thank you for calm nights. Thank you for peaceful sleep. Thank you for beautiful days. Thank you for ease in life. Thank you for all that works out. Thank you for miracles unfolding. Thank you for unseen support. Thank you for divine guidance. Thank you for universal support. Thank you for trust in the process. Thank you for the alignment. Thank you for grace. Thank you for love within me. Thank you for love around me. Thank you for more than enough. Thank you for everything. Happy manifesting.